Hey guys, I'm Micah. This is Works of Arc. As you can see, Works of Arc, not Matco, but you know what? The hoodie was free, and I got lots of Matco tools. Yeah. Shout out to Matco, good stuff. Anyway, we are going to go over some stuff. If you don't know yet, what I do is kind of all over the place. There's a lot of car stuff, a lot of commercial side to things, a residential side to things. What you're gonna get with these videos is kind of like some instructional type stuff, some technique stuff. You're gonna get some dad humor. Yeah, you're gonna have to do that, but it's like I like to give customers a little something extra. Let's get extra. That's what we're gonna do. You're gonna get a little extra at Works of Art. Anyway, we're going to go over some techniques. We've been doing this kind of a long time. I say we because the business isn't just me. It's I've had a lot of help over the years. I still have help. And if it wasn't for the customers and now hopefully you guys, I wouldn't be able to keep doing this. So I really appreciate that. I've met some excellent people over the years. I networked with some really solid people where, you know, if you slip up for 1 second, you just feel like you're, 10 years behind. These guys really push and they've just got so much talent. It's great to work with these people. Anyway, you're gonna meet all these people, some of them at least, that are willing to be a dork on camera like me. So we just finished up a couple different things. I need to start getting these videos these videos posted. That way you can get to know me, I can get to know you guys. I want to hear some comments. I want to hear some, hey, well, I did blah blah blah. I'm down to learn. Everybody's always learning. If you quit learning, then I mean, to me, that's, I'm scared to death to be that. When you're going up here, you're learning, and then you either don't want to learn or can't learn, and then you're on your way down. I don't want to be on the way down, but at some point I will. So I'm trying to prepare for that. Oh yeah, 401k. Look at that, adulting. But anyway, again, I guess to recap, we're going to go over what I do here. First off, this is an actual working shop, so that always comes first. The videos are second. Maybe it'll be the other way around, but I've got some really cool stuff I want to go over. I can't wait. There's a lot going on, and I'm going to let you in on it. So maybe I need to come up with a catchphrase. You get a little extra at Works of Art. I like that, a little extra.